Design and implementation bidirectional DC to AC converter for energy storage system.
Abstract.
The main objective of this project is to implement a bidirectional DC to AC converter for energy storage systems-based applications. The converter seamlessly facilitates energy transfer between direct current sources, such as batteries, and alternating current loads, enhancing the efficiency and flexibility of energy management. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope, and references.
PPT.
In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references.
Results.
In this project, single-phase bidirectional DC to DC-based triple-port converter proposed conversion is employed. Direct DC to AC conversion mode. Principle of the proposed system is DC port introduced in the DC to AC power stage so that EST power is exchanged with grid only via TPC within only one conversion stage. Thus, energy processed in the bidirectional DC to DC converter is to be decreased. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030333433.